मैम मैं नोटबुक में
Morning,
देख के
everybody.
अपने
Please mute yourself. Neetu ma'am, can you please
ओके मैम
Bete, mute yourself. All right. The next thing is, bete, I hope everybody is having the books with them. Open your books quickly. Page number 10. Page number 10 in your reader books. Yes, page number 10 in your reader books quickly. Could you please show me the books, everybody? Show me the books. All right. So I hope you people have done the homework. First, we will discuss the back exercises that I give you. Then we'll start with the dictation words and the make sentences, right? Okay. Now, please, everybody look in the book. The first question on page number 10 that we have is, what time did Neha clock ring every morning? Vinay, unmute yourself and tell me the answer for this. Only the child whom I'm asking. Yes, what time did Neha? Yes.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम
Good morning. Yes, Vinay. What is the answer for this?
मैम 6 o'clock
Yes, the alarm clock used to ring on 6 o'clock. Very good. Next is, what did the birds say? Rajji, unmute yourself and tell me the answer for this. Rajji. Yes, what is the answer for this? What did the birds say? Unmute yourself. You're not responding. Karman, can you please tell me the answer?
Yes, ma'am. The answer is wake up.
Yes, the answer is wake up. The birds used to say wake up to her. Next question is, what is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day? Vanshika Tyagi. What is it that makes you get up at the same time every day? Vanshika Tyagi, am I audible to you, bete? Tanya Chawla. Yes, Tanya. Unmute yourself quickly.
Ma'am.
Yes. Tanya, can you please tell me the answer? I'm asking you something. What is inside you that makes you get up at the same time every day?
Ma'am, it's our eyes.
Your eyes? Do your eyes help you to get up every day in the morning? What did you read in the chapter? Were you there in the class yesterday, Tanya?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Ishan.
Ma'am, our body clock.
Yes, it's a body clock. Yesterday I explained you that there is a clock inside our body. ठीक है, जो हमको हर एक काम बताती है कि हमें अभी हमारे ये काम करने का टाइम हो गया है. अगर हम अपना एक शेड्यूल बना के रखते हैं तो देयर इज अ क्लॉक इनसाइड आवर बॉडी. Please be attentive, everybody. Next, question number 4. Put the letters in the right order. The first one is smile. Second one, Manveer will tell me. What is the second word?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, bete.
Ma'am, alarm.
Alarm, yes. The second word is A-L-A-R-M, alarm. The third word, Pavni. What is the third word?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking Pavni. Please don't unmute and say, can I?
Ma'am, the answer is third of clock.
Clock, yes. The third word that we have is clock. Very good. Next, Avni Sharma will answer me. What is the next word, Avni?
Ma'am, morning.
Morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G. It's morning. Very good. Now, Meherdeep will answer me for the next.
Can I speak, ma'am?
Wait, don't do it. Meherdeep. The child who has joined with the name Meherdeep, he's some boy. Beta, what is your name?
Ma'am, Meherdeep.
Beta, please make sure that when you join the class, you have renamed yourselves. Otherwise, I don't know your names. How would I come to know who is this child? Right? So please rename. Apna proper name likha kijiye. Lavanya, can you please tell me?
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, beta. What is the next word?
Ma'am, snowed.
Snowed. Can you speak the spellings, Lavanya?
SNORED.
Yes, SNORED, snowed. Very good. And the last word, bhavishya. Will tell me what is the last word?
Then window.
Spellings, please.
MWINDOW.
Yes, WINDOW, window. Right. Now come to page number 12. Beta, that is a puzzle, so we can't be doing this. We can't do this in the class. So let us go to page number 13 now. So the question was, who said these words and to whom? Sorish, can you please tell me the answer for the first? I'll speak this. Wake up, dear, wake up fast. Who said these words and to whom?
Ma'am, can I speak? Ma'am, can I speak?
No, beta, this is not the way. He's answering. Wait for him. Yes, Sorish.
Good morning.
Can you be a bit loud?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, Sorish, can you tell me the answer for this? Wake up, dear, wake up fast. Who said these words?
Mother said to Lisa.
No, mother didn't say these words. That means you have not read the chapter yesterday.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait a minute. No, beta, not this way. Mayank Soni. Yes, Mayank Soni.
Bird said these words to Neha.
Very good. So your answer is birds said these words to Neha. Now make sure that when you are writing the answer, आपने सिर्फ birds to Neha नहीं लिखना है, आपने complete लिखना है. Birds said these words to Neha. So you have to write the answer in a proper way. सिर्फ birds और Neha लिखेंगे तो I'll give you half only marks. Right? Next. Dilshan Singh, can you please answer for the next one? Ma, who woke me up today? Dilshan. Ma, who woke me up today?
Ma'am, Neha said these words to mom.
Yes, very good. Neha said these words to mother. Very nice. Philia. Next. Why do you sleep at 9 every night? Philia.
Can I?
Wait a minute. Again, can I? Bete? Philia, are you there, bete? All right. Who is this child with the name Jasveer's iPhone? Who is this child with the name Jasveer's iPhone? Unmute yourself and tell me your name. Bete, just now I told you, please apne names proper likhiye. I don't know your names. I'm teaching you for the first time. Ranveer, write down your name there. Rename yourself, everybody. Yes. Who will tell me the answer? Mridul, okay, fine. Mridul.
Ma'am, mother said these words to Neha.
Yes, mother said these words to Neha. Very nice. All right, so the next question is use the help box to fill the blanks. So you have to use was or were here, right? Was is used with, who will tell me? Where do we use the word was? Swarit. Unmute yourself. Swarit.
Ma'am,
Swarit, can you please tell me कि was जो होता है verb वो हम किसके साथ लगाते हैं, कब लगाते हैं?
मैम, was हम जब वन वर्ड होता है और उसके साथ एस नहीं लगती है, उसके साथ हम was लाते हैं और जिसके अंदर the cows है उसके अंदर हम word लाते हैं.
सिंगुलर के साथ हम was लगाते हैं एंड प्लूरल के साथ were लगाते हैं. Is that all? Is that all? बस इतना ही होता है या कोई और भी रूल होता है? there anything else?
No. मैम
Yes, Karman.
मैम एस भी लगता है और जिसके साथ ईडी भी लगता है उसके साथ हम वर्ड
Past.
लगाते हैं।
When we are talking about the past, जब हम उस एक्शन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं या उस टाइम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो टाइम जा चुका है, वहां हम was and were यूज करते हैं. For the present we use is am are, right? So जहां past की बात हो रही होती है वहां was और were यूज होता है. So the first one is Ram dash a good football player. Ram एक अच्छा football player था. Past. So Ram here is singular, तो हम उसके साथ क्या लगाएंगे? Was. Please write down the answers in the chat box. Okay? Chat box में लिखेंगे those who know the answers. Second is the cows dash grazing in the field. Now cows here is plural. Plural है ना cows? So यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? Saket. Can you be attentive? So cows here is plural, so the answer would be were. So the cows were grazing in the field. Next is my toys dash broken. My toys dash broken. Yes, again here is plural, so we will write down my toys were broken. Please take your answers side by side. Next is her frock dash too long. Yes, the child with the name Benita Sroy. Unmute yourself. Benita, is it your name? Benita is your name?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Benita. So what would be the answer for this?
Ma'am, was.
Was, yes. Because frock is singular. One है frock, तो यहाँ पे was आएगा. Very good. Next, Ravdeep Singh. The market dash closed. Ravdeep Singh. Yes.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Wait a minute, bete. Was. Okay. Fine. So the market was closed. Band thi. The children dash happy. Gurnaman Singh. Yes, Gurnaman. The rest of you can write down the answers in the chat box, bete. Yes, Gurnaman. The children dash happy.
Yes, ma'am.
Gurnaman, I'm asking you something. The children dash happy.
मैं आपको अनम्यूट नहीं कर पा रहा था।
हाँ जी, कोई बात नहीं बेटे, बोलिए.
The children dash happy. The children were happy.
Very good. The answer is the children were happy. And the last one is the flowers dash kept in a vase. Raghav. Yes. Were, yes, because flowers is plural here. Beta, there's one child in the class with who has written his name in Punjabi letters. Please, I told you day before yesterday also that rename yourself and write your name in English letters. Please rename yourself. All right, beta. Now page number 14 also I think I gave you for the homework. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Now come to page number 14 quickly. Yesterday I lost a book. I looked for it everywhere. I looked dash a door. Now if you see in the picture, the girl is looking. Where is she looking? She's looking behind the door. B-E-H-I-N-D. दरवाजे के पीछे देख रही है. Right? I looked dash a cupboard. Cupboard के अंदर जब वो ढूंढ रही है, तो it would be I looked inside a cupboard. Next is I looked dash a bed. Bed के नीचे देख रही है. So what would be the preposition here? Under the bed. I couldn't find it anywhere. Then I called out. Sheru. Who is Sheru? Sheru is my pet dog. He came running to me. I asked him to look for my book. He pulled out another book from my bag. Pulled out, right? I hope you all have done this and now you have cross-checked also your answers. Now the next thing that we are going to do is, beta, yesterday I gave you the dictation words. I hope everybody has written the dictation words. Raise your hands. Those who have written the dictation words in the notebook. Yes, very nice. I can see everybody, almost everybody is raising the hand. Very good. All right, so let us first discuss the dictation words that I gave you yesterday. The first word that we had was mutter. Mutter. Now quickly.
preposition का first word और second word है उसका आंसर क्या है?
Who is this?
वंशिका त्यागी.
Vanchika, wait a minute. We are going to discuss. Right? Arnav, quickly tell me the meaning of the word mutter. Is it is this word visible to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Arnav, first tell me, is it visible to you?
Ma'am. Yes.
We are looking at the board.
मैम मटर का मीनिंग होता है जब हम अपने आप में ही कुछ धीरे से बोलते हैं. जैसे कुछ सुना दे मैम. फॉर एग्जांपल मैम, जैसे मैम जब भी मैं गिरता हूँ मैम, मैं ऐसे मन में बोलता हूँ, मैं भी चल गया, मेरी गलती थी, मुझे भागना नहीं था.
Yes, very good. Now my next question is, Arnav, please look at the board and can you read this word? Are you able to read it?
मैम यस.
Fine. Okay. So the next word that we have is announce. Who will tell me the meaning of the word announce? Write your names in the chat box quickly. Those who will tell me. Mridul has already answered. Wait a minute, Mridul. Let me see if anybody else can answer it. Yes. Who will answer? Suzanne, please answer. Announce.
मैम अनाउंस मतलब कोई चीज घोषणा करना. अनाउंस
किसी चीज के बारे में पब्लिकली बता देना. सबको जब आप कोई बात बताते हो, सपोज एवरीबडी इज सिटिंग इन अ रूम और आप वहां जाके बोलते हो कि वाओ मैं आज फर्स्ट आया हूँ क्लास में, तो आप क्या कर रहे हैं, सबको वो बात बता रहे हैं. सो यू आर अनाउंसिंग दैट, आप वो चीज अनाउंस कर रहे हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड दैट यू हैव इज एस्केप. विल टेल मी द मीनिंग ऑफ द वर्ड एस्केप. यस
मैम माइनो.
Wait. Suzanne, you don't have to answer now, bete. Let me ask somebody else. Tanav Mahmi will tell me what is the meaning of the word escape. You can try in Hindi also. Sorry, Tanav, can you repeat?
मैम कहीं से भागना.
Yes, कहीं से. Yes, Tanav. Escape अपने आप से सिचुएशन से या किसी जगह से बचा के निकाल लेना, भाग जाना वहां से. Escape. Next word is imagine. Mankaran, can you please tell me the meaning of the word imagine?
इमेजिन मतलब अपनी सोच में, अपनी याददाश्त से कोई चीज को बनाना.
Yes, imagine करना, अपने माइंड में किसी चीज की पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना. That is imagining, right? Next word is snuggle. Dipansha will tell me the meaning of the word snuggle. Yes, Dipansha.
Can I speak, ma'am?
Dipansha, can you please be loud? Dipansha, what is the meaning of the word snuggle? Very nice.
Ma'am, I can see.
Neeti Anand will tell me.
Ma'am, to lie in very comfortable position.
Yes, to lie down in a comfortable position. इस तरह से लेटा है कि आप बहुत comfortable और warm feel कर रहे हैं. That is called snuggling. Next word is tomorrow. Rajji, tomorrow.
Lie down to comfortable way.
सामने लेटना.
Somebody mute yourself. Yes, Rajji, what is the meaning of the word tomorrow?
मैम टुमारो. मैम जैसा कल.
जो आने वाला कल है, आज के बाद जो दिन आना, उसको हम टुमारो बोलते हैं, राइट? नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज
मैम यस.
यस. नेक्स्ट वेट, म्यूट योरसेल्फ बेटे. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज who is this child with the name Richu Dhingra? The child with the name Richu Dhingra. Who is this? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Who's this child? Beta, yesterday also you didn't unmute yourself. I told you to unmute. Bhavya Lekhi. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, what is the next word?
Ma'am, narrator.
Narrator. That is narrator. Now tell me the meaning of the word narrator.
मैम वो पोएम बनाता है.
Poem बनाता है? No. That is a poet जो poems लिखता है.
मैम can I speak? मैम can I speak?
Wait a minute. Don't speak like that, बेटे. Ekjot Singh. Ekjot.
मैम स्टोरी टेलर.
Storyteller. The person who is telling you a story or anything, जो कोई भी incident आपको narrate कर रहा है, कोई भी बात आपको बता रहा है, that person is called the narrator. ठीक है? Next word that we have is affectionately. The word is affectionately. Now, who will tell me the answer for this? Affectionately. This word is made from the word affection. Affection क्या होता है? What is affection? Ayan Basra.
मॉर्निंग मैम.
Good morning, beta. Yes.
मैम किसी चीज को प्यार से बताना.
Yes. Affection होता है प्यार. So जब हम कोई काम प्यार से करते हैं, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि we are doing it affectionately. Right. Kashmi, the next word. Kashmi. Do you know the meaning of the next word? Does anybody of you know? Okay, I think Mridul. Can you, yes, speak the word? Sorry, come again.
मैम बेनिफिट.
I'm asking you, what is this word? Mridul?
मैम अलाउंस.
Allowance. Now, what is the meaning of this allowance?
मैम बेनिफिट.
Allowance होता है basically a small amount of money that you give to somebody after a particular period of time. Suppose आपके parents आपको हर Saturday को 10 rupees देते हैं spend करने के लिए, वो जो आपको pocket money मिल रही है 10 rupees की, that is your allowance, right? So what is allowance? Allowance is a small amount of money that you get after a particular period of time. Next word is accompany. Accompany. Yes. Now who will
Can I speak?
Himanshu.
मैम कैन आई स्पीक?
Wait a minute, Himanshu. Ekjot, now you will not unmute yourself.
मैम किसी को कंपनी देना.
किसी को कंपनी देना, ठीक है?
मैम किसी को कंपनी.
Yes. If suppose I am going to market और मेरे साथ मेरी cousin मुझे कह रही कि मैं भी तुम्हारे साथ चलती हूँ, तो that means she is accompanying me. वो मेरा साथ दे रही है, मुझे कंपनी दे रही है कोई काम करने में. The next word that we have is advantage. Who will tell me the meaning of this word advantage?
मैम कैन आई स्पीक.
No, can I speak? Pavni?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the meaning of advantage is फायदा.
Faida. Who's telling you the answer? Pavni? Who told you the answer? एडवांटेज का मतलब होता है फायदा, किसी चीज का आपको फायदा हुआ है, मुझे ये एडवांटेज हुई है उसकी, राइट? एंड द लास्ट वर्ड दैट वी हैव इज रिलैक्स. रिलैक्स करना मतलब भूमि विल टेल मी. रिलैक्स क्विकली बेटे.
मैम रिलैक्स होना.
रिलैक्स होना, रेस्ट करना, आराम करना. कोई स्पेशली कोई काम करने के बाद जब आप रेस्ट करते हैं, सो दैट मीन्स यू से कि आई एम रिलैक्सिंग, मैं आराम कर रहा हूँ, राइट?
मैम आराम करना.
So these were the dictation words, and the students who were able to give me the answer, that means कि उन्होंने उन dictation words को उनके meanings पढ़े थे, डिक्शनरी में पढ़े थे, या उन्होंने कल वाला लेक्चर अच्छे से सुना था, ठीक है. Now next thing that we are going to do is make sentences. I'll share the slide with you later on. अभी हम सिर्फ words discuss कर लेंगे और बाद में मैं आपके साथ slide जो है वो share कर दूँगी, right? So for make sentences, the first word that we have is call. CALL call. हाँ जी. अब मुझे बताइए कि ये call क्या है? Call, is it a verb or a noun? चलिए. First question is call a word? A verb or a noun? Yes.
Ma'am, call is a noun.
Write your answers here in the chat box, bete. Write your answers here in the chat box. Yes, very good. Some of the students are writing noun. Some of the students are writing it is both a noun as well as a call. Now the students who are saying that it is both noun, I'd like to ask one of you. Who will tell me? The students who feel that it is both a noun and a verb. Okay, fine. Niti Anand, please unmute yourself.
Yes,
Quickly, बेटे जल्दी से.
मैम मैं कॉल को बहुत समझती हूँ, नाउन एंड वर्ब.
हाँ कैसे? That is what I'm asking you. How?
मैम अगर हम किसी को कॉल करते हैं तो उसको हम एक्शन वर्ड कह सकते हैं, यानी वर्ब, और कॉल
Very good. और call as noun के example. Mankaran, give me the example of call as noun.
Ma'am, example of call is noun is, ma'am, the call we get on phone when we call somebody on WhatsApp.
Okay, now I'll speak two sentences. I say, I'm calling you. जल्दी से आंसर लिखेंगे. I'm calling you. What is call here? A verb or a noun? Write down the answers in the chat box. I am calling you. मैं तुम्हें call कर रही हूँ. It is a verb here. Very good. Why is it a verb? बेटा, listen, stop writing and listen to me. जब हम किसी को call करते हैं, ठीक है? जब हम किसी को call कर रहे हैं, तो मैं कोई काम कर रही हूँ, action कर रही हूँ, ठीक है? So in that case, call यहाँ पे क्या हो गया? Verb हो गया, ठीक है? Now listen to the next sentence carefully. I say, I got a call from you. I got a call from you. अब यहाँ पे call क्या है? I got a call from you. Yes, Lavanya is saying it is a noun. Karman also is saying it's a noun. Mayank, right? Okay. Who will explain why? Who will explain why it is a noun? Kashvi? Kashvi. Unmute yourself, bete. मुझे please noun का बताएंगे. Call as a noun क्यों है ये? I got a call from you.
मैम जैसे हम किसी को बता रहे हैं कि ये है.
I'm not able to listen to you. You have to be a bit louder. Yes, anybody else who can tell me? I can't hear actually, Kashvi. Mridul, can you tell me, explain this?
मैम इसमें ING भी नहीं लगा.
ING नहीं लगा. ING जरूरी नहीं होता हमेशा लगेगा.
Ma'am,
ING अगर लगा है फिर आप श्योर हो सकते हो कि हाँ ING तो वर्ब के साथ ही लगता है. बट ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं होता बेटा कि जिनके साथ ING नहीं लगाओ वो नाउन होंगे. Anybody who can explain this? Bhumi, you want to explain this?
Yes मैम जब
एकजोत, आप बताइए. चलिए एकजोत, you explain this.
मैम जब किसी के बारे में बताया जाए, जब कॉल के बारे बताया जाए.
अब देखो मैं कह रही हूँ I got a call from you. मुझे तुम्हारी तरफ से क्या आया? एक कॉल आई. यहाँ पे कॉल जो है वो क्या है? एक थिंग है. आप कॉल कर नहीं रहे हो, एक्शन नहीं हो रहा. मुझे तुम्हारे से एक कॉल आई. कॉल हेयर इज अ थिंग. एक थिंग का नेम है, सो इट वुड बी अ नाउन हेयर. ठीक है? सिंपली व्हाट का आंसर दे रहा है ना ये व्हाट का. आई गॉट व्हाट. जो क्वेश्चन व्हाट का आंसर देते हैं वो नाउन होते हैं. आई गॉट व्हाट फ्रॉम यू, आई गॉट अ कॉल फ्रॉम यू. सो व्हाट का जो वर्ड्स आंसर देंगे वो क्या होंगे? वो एक नाउन होंगे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट कॉल वर्ड का एज अ नाउन एंड एज अ वर्ब दोनों तरह से करेंगे. सेकेंड वर्ड दैट वी हैव इज स्माइल. Smile. Smile again can both be a noun as well as a verb. Now, who will tell me an example of smile as a verb? As a verb, Himank, smile as a verb. Quickly.
Ma'am, can I speak?
Bete, wait a minute. I've told Himank. Yes.
Smile as a verb means I am smiling.
I'm smiling. Yes. जब आप smile कर रहे हैं, an action is going on, तो वहाँ पे आप क्या लगता है? वो क्या हो जाएगा? Smile as a verb. She smiled at me. वो मुझे देख के उसने smile किया, कोई action किया. So यहाँ पे smile क्या हो जाएगा? As a verb. Now next is smile as noun. Yes. Who will tell me smile as noun? फटाफट से कौन जाएगा? Rakshit, can you tell me smile as a noun?
Ma'am, your smile is
Your smile is?
Can I?
Use yourself. Karman, mute yourself. Yes. Your smile is beautiful. यहाँ पे आप स्माइल कर नहीं रहे हैं. आपके स्माइल के बारे में जो आपके फेस पे जो एक्सप्रेशन है स्माइल का, जब आपके फेस पे स्माइल होती है वो एक एक्सप्रेशन है, उसको आप क्या लेते हैं? दैट इज कंसीडर्ड एज नाउन. उसे आप नाउन में कंसीडर करेंगे. सो इट इज स्माइल एज नाउन. लेकिन अगर आप स्माइल कर रहे हैं, किसी को देख के कर रहे हैं, तो आप एक्शन कर रहे हैं, फिर वो स्माइल कर जाएगा, एज अ वर्ब हो जाएगा. राइट. थर्ड वर्ड इज लीव.
the shopkeeper smiled at me.
लीव, LEAVE, लीव. लीव का मतलब क्या होता है? आप लीव फॉर्म फिल करते हैं, लीव लेते हैं स्कूल से, लीव लेते हैं स्कूल.
लीव मतलब छुट्टी.
तो वो क्या हो जाएगा? लीव एज अ नाउन. ठीक है. जब आप इस तरह से यूज करोगे, आई वांट टू लीव, मुझे लीव चाहिए, मुझे छुट्टी चाहिए, वहां पे लीव क्या हो जाएगा? नाउन हो जाएगा. नाउ लीव कैन आल्सो बी यूज्ड एज वर्ब. वर्ब की तरह भी हम यूज कर सकते हैं. कोई बताएगा मुझे जल्दी से एज अ वर्ब कैसे यूज होगा?
मैम जब हम लीव को वर्ब की तरह यूज करते हैं तो मैम जैसे ये बन जाएगा I was leaving in the class because I had a stomach ache.
I couldn't get it, but the answer would be, if I say leave the class, मैं किसी बच्चे को बोलती हूँ leave the class, तो मैं उससे क्या कह रही हूँ? क्लास छोड़ के चले जाओ. तो मैं उससे कोई एक्शन करने के लिए कह रही हूँ, छोड़ के जाने के लिए कह रही हूँ, तो वहां पे वो क्या हो जाएगा? लीव एज वर्ब हो जाएगा. क्योंकि आप, यस, आई एम, हिमान्या हैज रिटन आई एम लीविंग दिस हाउस, मैं ये घर छोड़ के जा रही हूँ. So, जब मैं ये घर छोड़ के जा रही हूँ तो मैं कोई एक्शन कर रही हूँ. इन दैट केस लीव वुड बी अ वर्ब. ठीक है. तो लीव कैन बी यूज्ड. यस, आई एम ऑन लीव टुडे. आई एम ऑन व्हाट टुडे? यहाँ व्हाट का आंसर दे रहा है वासवी, तो यहाँ पे आपके सेंटेंस में लीव जो है वो नाउन आ रहा है. राइट. अगर आपको कंफ्यूजन होती है तो आपने ये देखना है कि क्या आपका क्वेश्चन व्हाट का आंसर दे रहा है. अगर वो व्हाट का आंसर दे रहा है तो वो नाउन होगा. राइट. लास्ट वर्ड इज वॉच. वॉच. सो देयर आर टू वॉचेस. एक वॉच होती है ये, the one which I am wearing. So it is a thing. ये एक चीज का नाम है, thing का नेम है. So that would be watch as noun. अगर मैं कह रही हूँ कोई बच्चा क्लास में बातें कर रहा है और मैं कह रही हूँ आई एम वॉचिंग यू, मैं उसको देख रही हूँ, बहुत देर तक मैं उसको देख रही हूँ, तो वहां पे वॉच क्या हो जाएगा? दैट वुड बी अ वर्ब. इज इट क्लियर द डिफरेंस बिटवीन वॉच एज नाउन एंड एज वर्ब? वॉच एज वर्ब मीन्स किसी को बहुत देर तक कॉन्टिन्यूसली देखते रहना. जब आप किसी को बहुत देर तक कॉन्टिन्यूसली देख रहे हैं तो वो वॉच एज वर्ब हो जाएगा. ठीक है. आई एम वॉचिंग व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. और अगर मेरे पास ये वाली वॉच है, आप वॉच पहनते हो, माय फादर गिफ्टेड मी अ वॉच यस्टरडे, आई बॉट अ न्यू वॉच यस्टरडे, शी हैज अ ब्यूटीफुल वॉच, यहाँ पे वॉच का हो जाएगा हमारा ऐसा नाउन हो जाएगा. इज आर
I have a new
यस, रेज योर हैंड्स इफ द वर्ड्स आर क्लियर टू यू. Is it clear? The make sentences. Now today, Betty, I'll be sending you the make sentences and question answers today. Right? After the classes are over, I'll send you question answers and make sentences. You have to complete those in the notebook. Clear to everybody? Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
you can ask